Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create audio recordings on the Adobe Capture Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at the 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the create button down below, which is the second option. And then go to the microphone creations section at the top of the page and click on the create button. Here tap on audio down below, and then you can start recording the microphone creation that you would like to establish, either sound effects or basically anything that you have in mind. All you have to do is tapping on this red button down below at the bottom of the page, then start speaking. As you can see, the audio recording has been started. So if you want to stop it, just click on the pause button. Here you can see your recording, you can resume, and if you would like to save it, click on the check mark icon down below. Tap on OK to enable the app to have access to speech recognition. Here you will be able to see the transcription at the top of the page, and if you want to, you can listen to it down below and then click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.